How to reset forgotten lock screen, PIN, password, or pattern lock on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, or the S25 Ultra. Now, in the past, you can reset the lock screen PIN or password by going into Smart Things Find or Find My Mobile. Now, with the recent update from the website, it does not actually allow you to remote unlock anymore. So, in order for you to unlock the screen or reset the lock screen passcode or password, you actually need to reset your device. Now, doing so will cause you to lose data, so you will erase all your device. So, only do this if you are willing to lose all your data. That means all your pictures. If you haven't backed them up, it will be erased. Sometimes it is necessary to perform a reset so that we can regain access to our device, knowing that sometimes we have to lose our data. So if you're willing to go ahead and lose your data, what we're going to do is we're going to first switch off the device. So now it is locked with a pin. I do not remember the pin, so we're going to press and hold on the side button plus the volume down key. So press on both keys, press and hold until the phone switch off, and then quickly let go of the buttons. So let's do it now. Press and hold on these two keys here. Now continue to hold, continue to hold. And once you see the screen switch off, let go of the buttons. This should allow the phone to switch off. Now just wait for a few seconds and let stay off. Okay, so once it is turned off, we're going to plug into the USB cable. So plug in the cable to the phone, and this needs to be connected to a computer. So make sure it is connected to the computer and quickly press and hold on the power button and the volume up key. So you need to press on both keys at the same time when you plug it in. This will allow us to boot into the Android recovery menu. Now, if that doesn't work, that's fine. You have to do it quick enough. If you are slow, then this is what happened. So here, I'm going to try again. So if it doesn't work for you for the first time, you can try again. So press and hold to switch it off. Then quickly press on the power button and the side button. Press on the volume up plus the side button so that the phone will boot into Android recovery menu. So press and hold and continue to hold, continue to hold, continue to hold until we boot into the recovery menu. Okay, so now we are in the recovery menu. We're going to press on the volume down button and then we're going to select wipe data or factory reset and then press on the side button here to select. And then we press on the down button and press on factory data reset. Once you do that, it will erase your device, and that will include erasing the lock screen, PIN, or password. Here, now we can reboot the device. So press on the power button to reboot the device. Once the device boot up, you will need to set up again. So we need to set up we have to go through the welcome screen, set up the language, and you can set up as per normal as how you normally set up your device. Okay, so it is now booting up. We're just gonna wait for it to boot up. And you can see that now the phone lock screen has been reset. And we can select the country and then tap on the start button. Now, if you regularly back up your device, you can perform a restore. So here I will tap on agree. And here you can, now if you want to transfer data from another device, you can do so. Otherwise, we can just perform a normal setup. So here we set up manually and then tap on OK. Here you can select a Wi-Fi network. Okay, so I have connected to Wi-Fi and now I'm going to proceed to the next screen, getting my phone ready. Now from time to time I do back up my phone to my computer. So later on, once the phone set up, I can restore my data back to my phone. If you have backup your data to the cloud, you can do so as well. Now here you can see the phone need to be entered with a PIN to unlock it, and because we do not know the PIN, what we can do is we're going to use my Google account instead. So tap on that. Here, simply sign into your Google account and your Samsung account to proceed. Okay, so once you have signed to your Google account, the PIN will automatically be unlocked, and then you can tap on next. It says copy apps and data. We just choose next or don't copy. In here, I don't need to sign in. I can just tap on skip and then tap on skip. Here we can set up a new PIN. Make sure this time if you set a PIN, you remember the PIN or the password. Or I can tap on skip. Then I tap on skip anyway. Tap on more, and then tap on accept. And now it said getting the phone ready. Okay, so it asked me to sign into Samsung account. I will skip it for now. So if I forgot password or don't have an account, set up later in settings, and then I'll skip. And I'll tap on more. I'll skip all. Then tap on more and agree, and then tap on next. Okay, so we're nearly there now. See, it's getting get recommended apps. Okay, after that, we're going to tap on next, then tap on home, and then tap on allow. And that's it. We have now successfully reset the lock screen PIN, password, or pattern lock, and we can now use the phone. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.